Jeep is known for its SUVs with great 4x4 capabilities, like the Compass, which is their smallest SUV in India. They've always offered a 4x4 version, but not everyone needs 4x4 all the time. So now Jeep has launched the Compass 4x2 diesel automatic. Today we have the Jeep Compass Black Shark Edition, which is a dark variant of the Jeep Compass. It's a 4x2 front-wheel drive SUV paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. I tested it on a light off-road trail and it performed well. The engine is the same 2-liter turbo diesel with 170 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. The engine, like the 4x4 version, offers robust power at low RPMs with even torque distribution across the RPM, making it easy to drive. However, it lacks smoothness and can be noisy in the cabin. The 9-speed gearbox shifts smoothly but may be a bit sluggish when changing gears, which is more suited for city driving than quick highway overtaking maneuvers. In terms of overall performance and handling, it is decent and handles well. The ride starts off stiff but improves as you gain speed, making it suitable for rough roads. This engine is also more fuel efficient compared to the 4x4 version. And in terms of acceleration, it performs well from 0 to 100 km per hour. New front 7-slot iconic Jeep grille. LED headlamps. The new design alloy wheels are black painted. Black Shark badge on fenders. Blacked out Compass logo. Blacked out Jeep logo. The tail light black casing. Full length front floor console with a sliding armrest. 25.6 cm touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dual zone automatic AC. Electronic parking brake. Wireless charging. 8-way power seat for the driver. Rear armrest with cup holders. Power lift gate. Dual pane sunroof. The Black Shark edition of the Compass is exclusively reserved for the higher trim levels. There are 2 versions to choose from: the Black Shark Diesel Manual and the Black Shark Diesel Automatic. The Compass 4x2 Diesel Automatic is priced from Rs 23.99 lakhs to Rs 29.99 lakhs ex-showroom, making it more affordable than the 4x4 version, but still relatively expensive compared to its competition. However, it offers the typical Jeep robustness and excellent road manners, which might appeal to buyers looking for a reliable SUV.